All right, TaskTalk teachers. So this is how you add stuff into tasks. So if you want to have students submit something based on a video or reading a website and maybe have them make a Word document to put information for you, you can add the website or video here. If you have a specific file that you want them to use, you could have that here. You could also write notes and upload photo albums if you want to go ahead and add photos, etc. Then what happens is through the Dropbox, it shows the students here. Once they have the files downloaded, it'll show them here, and then you can put them on your computer through this space. This seems to be a preferred method of many teachers. You may also post messages and show messages from your students. Your students can actually message you based on the formative task if they have any questions, and you may also post overall messages to the students through the tasks here. This will be an easy way to find out if students are doing their tasks or not.